Hello viewers, I am here with my next video on The Tempest, Act 3rd, Scene 1. We have read that Ferdinand and Miranda have fallen in love, but Prospero, the father of Miranda, wants to test the loyalty, the love of Ferdinand. So that's why he has given him a very tough task to do. He told him to go in the forest and pile up logs of wood, etc. In all, we can say that Ferdinand was given a very humble occupation, in spite of Prospero's knowing that Ferdinand is a prince by birth. But Ferdinand was in deep love with Miranda, so he accepts any kind of test. He happily got ready to do this humble occupation. So now, what happens after this test? Let us see whether Prospero accepts him or not. So this scene opens before Prospero's cell. You can see The Tempest, and this is Act 3rd, Scene 1. So Ferdinand, there be some sports are painful and their labor. In this video, I will cover from line 1 to 20. Ferdinand is working hard and he is just expressing what is going in his mind. There be some sports are painful and their labor delight in them sets off. Some kinds of baseness are nobly undergone and most poor matters point to rich ends. So Ferdinand here speaks that some sports may be painful, but when we do them, we get happiness. In spite of these sports, in spite of these work be very strenuous, we feel happy. Some kind of baseness is nobly undergone. Yani कि baseness refers to some kind of humble occupation are done with a good, a noble end. Actually here Ferdinand wants to say that in spite of this work is very mean for me, but I am doing it for the sake of Miranda. So that's why it is giving me happiness. I am wholeheartedly doing this. Most poor matters point to rich ends. Sometimes most poor matters means all those works, all those things which we despise the most, they bring very good results for us. This my mean task would be as heavy to me as odious, but the mistress which I serve quickens what is dead and makes my labor pleasures. So in this line number 5, you can see. So he says that this mean task, although this task, this job is also humble. Okay, in comparison to my status, this job is very mean for me, but still I am happy to do this because when I think of the mistress for whom I am doing all this job, so that just refreshes my dead spirit and my labor becomes a source of happiness for me. Oh, she is 10 times more gentle than her father's crabbed, and he is composed of harshness. So now he compares Miranda with her father, Prospero. He says that she is 10 times gentler than her father, because till now he has found Prospero as a man of bad temperament, because Prospero has treated Ferdinand in a very harsh manner. So that's why he doesn't have a good opinion about Prospero till now. He says that his father's crabbed means his father's behavior is very bad. He is a bad tempered fellow and he is composed of harshness. Yani कि he does not have any touch of pity in his heart. He is a man of harshness. Line number 10, you can see now. I must remove some thousands of these logs and pile them up upon a sore injunction. He says that I must remove all these thousands of logs. Yani कि there is so much work still to be done, and I have to pile all these logs of wood. Otherwise, I will get a severe punishment. Sore injunction means the threat of severe punishment. So I will get a severe punishment in case I fail to do this. So I have to do all this job in time. My sweet mistress weeps when she sees me work and says, such baseness had never like executor. He says that when my sweet mistress looks at me working this way, so she is full of pity for me and she cries and she says that such kind of baseness, such kind of meanness even does not suit. It is just like the work of executor. Executor means means one who performs the action here. So this kind of baseness does not suit the performer here. Performer means it does not suit my grace, but still I forget all this pain, all this meanness. So these sweet thoughts do even refresh my labors, most busy least when I do it. He says that all these sweet thoughts, okay, when I think of my beloved, I get some sweet sensations. I know that she loves me a lot. So therefore the thought of Miranda just refreshes my labors. Yani ke whatever labor I am going through, I do not feel the pain of it. I rather feel refreshed, and when I am very busy in doing this job, I feel that I am having nothing to do. So all this hard work does not give me any kind of strain, any kind of stress or unhappiness. Only the thought of my beloved makes me feel happy. At this moment, Miranda enters and Prospero also enters, but Prospero just stays at a distance from them. He hides himself. He does not want that they should see him. So when Miranda comes there, she says, alas, now pray you, work no so hard. I would the lightning had burnt up these logs that you are enjoined to pile. Pray, set it down and rest you when this burns. So Miranda here speaks that please, what a pitiable sight it is to see you working so hard. She is in pain to see Ferdinand doing this hard job. So that's why she requests him, don't do so hard work. I wish that actually Miranda is so unhappy that even she wishes that lightning should fall on all these logs and they should get burnt. Okay, so all these logs which you have yet to pile up should be burnt by lightning. Miranda makes such kind of wish, which shows the depth of her love for Ferdinand. Pray, set it down and rest you. Line number 19, you can see. She says that I request you, please leave them aside and you just have some rest because you have been working hard for a long time. So please have some rest now. When this burns, it will weep for having wearied you. Line number 20, you can see when this burns. When these logs will be burnt, so they will cry for you. They will shed tears for you. Actually, when logs burn, so some kind of liquid oozes out of the woods. So this liquid is assumed as tears of wood. So she says that even these woods are non-living objects, but they will feel pity for you and they will cry that because of all these woods you have to toil so hard. My father is hard at study. Pray now, rest yourself. So she gives him a chance to take rest by telling that my father right now is busy in his study room. He will not come out of his library for a long time. So I request you, you can have some rest. He is safe for these 3 hours. Next 3 hours, my father is not coming out. So up to here, we completing this video. Thank you.